Hi, my name is Christian and this is my first devlog ever. I decided to create a game that will be stress-free and cozy. There are not many games like this available at the moment. Most cozy games are kind of farming styles that you spend countless hours and there is no really big end. I want to do adventure game that you will have something to do, but there will be no aggression, no stress, just cozy game and something interesting. I know this is a challenging task, but I will try to do this. So at the moment I don't have much done yet. This is the main screen here and this is AI generated and I don't like it that much, but this is what it is. I will change it later on. We can start a game here.
Welcome, young traveler. Take your time to explore this peaceful land. Many wonderful creatures live here waiting to be discovered. But to see them, you'll need the right tools. Gather carrots along your way. They'll help you trade for new discoveries.
So what I have so far is a few elements that I've created. This game is based on Unreal Engine 5. So I have my character and I will change it later on. It kind of looks creepy at the moment with his kind of fake smile, but I have something to play with at the moment. So I have some animation and I have a kind of wiggly ears. That's what I wanted to achieve along with my animation. So, but that will be changed later on. So I have a few elements here. So basically what you need to do is you need to walk around the world and discover different animals. So you have animals like here, you have some ants and you have some butterflies over there, but you don't have any tools. So basically what you need to do is you need to go to the place where you can buy those tools. So you can buy the magnifying glass and you can buy the flashlight. At the moment we have 22 carrots there, so I could buy any of those, but you would normally start with 0. So I will buy the magnifying glass for example here.
To open your tools, please press E button.
E button. So basically what I can do is I can press E button and then open the tools. So at the moment I have magnifying glass, so I can click on this and I can use this tool to discover animals. So how to do that? I just come close here and then press E. So as you can see here, I discovered the ants. So what I have is I have a book of animals that I discovered. So I have 5 animals to discover so far, and I just discover ants. So, and there's a small description there, and I can't click on this because they are not discovered yet. So basically I will need to walk around and discover different animals. So let's discover butterflies here. I have a butterflies. So I will open my book and I have a butterfly discovered here, and then I have another animal there in the cave here, but it's too dark there. I need a flashlight. So basically what I need to do is I need to acquire a flashlight tool for this. So I will need to buy this, but I need 20 carrots. So basically I need to collect more carrots. 16. 18 and 2 more. Alright, I have 20 now. So let's purchase a flashlight.
To open your tools, please press E button.
So E button now allows me to either select this one as before, or I could do a flashlight. So flashlight basically, it's a flashlight, so I can illuminate places like this. At the moment I have a flashlight, so I can enter the cave here, so I can do that, and I have another animal discovered. So I can press here and I can see I have a bat discovered. So basically different tools will give you different ways to discover the animals. I might have later on binoculars, or maybe I can have scuba diving to discover something under the water, but that's what I have so far. Later on what I will also want to do is I want to have maybe a crouching abilities that I can go through to different parts of the level through things like this. And so we also created one puzzle. So I have a door here that I can open. I need to step on the slabs in sequence. So basically I can do one, and if I will do another one, So that was a wrong one, so it's kind of reset to normal. If I will do the first one good, and then second one, you can see I can open the doors and I can go through that. So that will be light puzzles like this will be in the level. There will be some other puzzles that I also implement. At the moment there is not much in there, but I'm trying to build something that will be interesting and enjoying to play. So nice colorful goals, no stress, just playing and trying to do different things. So at the moment I don't have a real level build up. I just created more and more assets to play with, and at some point once I will have enough, then I will do that. These ants are kind of appearing out of nowhere and they're just like jumping there instead of crawling, so we need to fix that, and we need to do a few other things with animation and so on. So at the moment this is my first step in a devlog, and if you are curious how I've done anything that is in that game so far, let me know. I will be happy to create a tutorial on that. So see you in the next one.